New shape Vauxhall Vivaro Peugeot Expert, not starting, very hard to start, but starts okay when warm, so straight away thought heater plugs. Now the heater plugs, 4 of them are underneath your inlet manifold. 2 of them are terrible to get to because of the fuel filter, but check the power's not going to them, so I came back to the relay. Now the relay is actually bolted on the side of your fuse box here, and this is a connector. So what I did to get me going was I identified which of the pins were the glow plugs, and that's quite easy by putting an ohmmeter onto the pins, and you find out which ones have actually got a resistance. So luckily in my case all the glow plugs are good. So you can see here I've got a jumper wire going to these glow plugs from a relay, and I got a jumper wire going to the other 2 glow plugs from another relay. I only did that because it's quite a load on the glow plug, so I shared the load across the 2 relays. And what I did then is I used the live, so it's a big spade there, and the other big spade's an earth. But what I did then is I took an earth wire to trigger these 2 relays to put the power across from the main power here to the glow plugs. And I did this, I put a little switch on the inside of the dash, so I just press it after putting the ignition on, hold it for 3 seconds, turn the engine over and it starts every time, then I let go of the switch. I've only done this to get me to the garage to plug it in properly to find out what's wrong, because there's something, maybe an oil sensor, oil coolant sensor, something like that, I don't know yet, but at least this got me going.